to allocate us a certain quota or percentage of development projects in roads, water, education, health, purposely for these areas. And they will be a little more than the usual allocation, because these areas have been left out in these amenities for a long time. And we are having that discussion. I can give one example, Mr. Chairman, that for example, the first 100 dams that Kenya Kwanza, the government, is going to roll out under the water purchase agreements. We are going to make sure that out of that 100, a quota which we are negotiating with the Ministry of Water goes to the areas that are affected by banditry and cattle rustling, the areas in the north. And we ring-fence those projects, and they will be a bit more than usual because we want to tackle the long-term issues. But first, as I've said, Chair, the guns must be silenced, and we have no apologies to make. And we are not going to have a country where part of our people are being killed by criminals every day. Some of our security officers have been brought down by criminal fire, and I have committed to the country. I am going to be the minister who will lead the team that will focus on this issue and finish it. And I think I do not have a greater national responsibility than making sure that we open the Kenya of the North and integrate its security with the security of the rest of the country. And I'm not saying that the rest of the country doesn't have security challenges. We have other security challenges. We have urban crime. When we came into office, Nairobi was having a lot of urban crime. We have managed to stabilize that problem. And also let me point out that, Chairman, we are also keen to make sure that we don't concentrate too much on that area at the expense of exposing other countries, because criminals are also not fools.